Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video, we are going to check out the new Huawei FreeBuds 3i. These true wireless earbuds come with active noise cancellation, and the noise cancellation also works while taking voice calls. It works with iOS and Android phones, and it comes with Bluetooth connectivity for that. So let's get started with the unboxing of the FreeBuds 3i. So as you can see, this is the FreeBuds 3i. This is the box that we have, and what you can see from the outside itself is the design of the earbuds. So it has this stem over here at the bottom, and it's very much like most of the earbuds that are available in the market these days. And we've got the carbon black variant of the FreeBuds 3i. We've already talked about it supports active noise cancellation, and then it offers pure sound output. That's what Huawei claims. And then you have noise cancellation during calls as well. So these are a lot of features that you get, and primarily what we are looking at for true wireless earbuds is convenience, because you have no wires. And apart from that, let's say you're working out, so you need something which snugly fits into your ear canal and lets you do your running and stuff without fearing the fact that it will fall out every now and then. So that's basically what the premise of true wireless earbuds is. At the back of the box, you have basically all the ingredients, which talks about what all is there inside the box. You've got the user manual, you've got the charger, you've got the cable. So we'll talk about that once we open this box now. So let's get started with the unboxing of the FreeBuds 3i. So as you can see, this is white color box, but inside the case you have the black color carbon black variant of the FreeBuds 3i. These are the true wireless earbuds, and as you can see, it's neatly kept inside this case. These are the true wireless earbuds. These are the stems that I talked about, and this is where the buds are. We'll talk about this in detail in a bit. Apart from that, inside the box, apart from that, you have are the cable and the adapter. So now what you get is these are the essentials in terms of how you charge this case. So the case comes with its own built-in battery as well, and you have the stems with built-in battery as well. So this is the charging cable that you get. This is basically USB Type-C. You can plug it to this adapter, which comes along with your basic adapter. So what you can do is you can just plug this cable to your regular travel adapter, and you can plug it over here on the USB Type-C port given inside the case. Apart from that, you have the basic essentials that you get. These are the paper stuff that you get inside the box. This is the warranty card, this is the user manual, and then you have some more details in terms of the safety information. Now the thing is, these are electronic items, so there's always a danger of them going a bit corrupt. So safety information is always essential, so read through them before you started using it. User manual is basically to get you started how to pair the buds with your phone, and what kind of features you get, what apps you need to use so that it is compatible with all your fitness kind of features, and then how to enable active noise cancellation. So all those features are given in the user manual. Apart from that, you have the warranty card. Again, if you have any issues with the true wireless earbuds, so you can just take it along to a nearest service center and carry this warranty card. And if you get the benefits within the warranty period, then it's quite a good deal as well. We've already talked about this white color neatly wrapped USB Type-C cable that comes inside the box. And yes, the more important thing. So now let's say the earbuds are there, but it might not fit everyone with the same size. So you have different earbud options that's there inside the box. So you can change it, and you can try whichever fits, you can start using them. So this is all what you get with the FreeBuds 3i inside the box. As we mentioned, the black color case with the earbuds. You have this white color neatly wrapped USB Type-C cable. Different earbuds options, so because not everyone will be able to comfortably wear the earbuds with the same size, so you can try different sizes and use the one which really fits you. You have different kind of paperwork as well. You have the safety information guide, you have the user manual, you have the warranty card. So these are all the elements that you get inside the box with the Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.